changing a tire on this 2018 ZX14, which it's probably going to be like changing the tire on any motorcycle. Now, I have never changed a tire before. Let me be clear. I have never taken off a wheel to a motorcycle. A dirt bike, yes. I don't know if it's the same, because that was back when I was 13, 14 years old. And I'm 41, so that was a long time ago. But let me just say, it got a little scary there for a minute, because it looked like I was really about to rip the tire apart. Or yeah, rip the tire apart, bringing it over the rim. And I kind of marred up the inside of the rim a little more than I wanted to, but it's all something new. So watch this. I've never done it before. I'm not a professional. So if you're looking, you're gonna watch a professional do it, they're gonna make it look easy. Watch this. I'll show you how it goes. It is a pain in the ass, and it's, like I said, it's kind of scary, but I will be doing it again and again and again to get it easier. You can't be scared to mess up. Just get out there and do it. Get as much knowledge and information as you can before you start it, because it's gonna stuck. Yep, it's gonna stuck. Yeah, with further ado, I'll shut the hell up and we'll start this video. Change your own tires. Thank you for watching.
Mighty Eagle!
There it is. There, you can see the steel belts right there. Right there. Yeah. So I'm having to use my Hero 7. Had to swap cameras because the SD card didn't like being in the Hero 4. So I don't know how much I got recorded, but here's what I got so far. My lighting is right there, but this, first thing you do, first thing I did, take these out of the caliper, which they go right there. There's two of them. There's 6 millimeters, and so then I used this to take the pressure off of the tire and wheel. That way I could just pull this axle out. I just slid it out. It was no problem. Yeah, I just slid it out, because I've seen people that were beating it out with a hammer. No, stop. It's aluminum. You don't need to. So now I don't have a valve stem removal tool, but what I do have, got my spoons. Let me just buy it. Rim protectors. So yeah, I think we're about ready. I don't know if I've got to take this off or not. I don't know. But there's this. No, I ain't never done this shit before. I don't want to screw the rim up. Huh, I've slowly worked this tool in there. Oh wow, that's cool. A rim protector. Now, this is supposed to go in there somehow. How does this work? That maybe? I don't know. that's not even really open, is it? Oh, fucking neat. You know what? Let's just do it like this. Ah, this doesn't air it. There we go. Oh God, this sucks. Look like a monkey fucking a football. I don't know if you can see that, how much this tool was bending. I sure hope I don't break it. But if not, that's a testament to that tool. And how much pressure you gotta get, motherfucker. You gotta put on the damn thing. Undulation, peptides, post-mortem, post-priority, post-toasties, abracadabra, shit on a stick, drive angry, call Saul, mechanic, mechanic. We need a mechanic over here. You're almost there. Get off. One of you bastards is watching this and laughing your ass off because you know what I need to do. Yeah, take it to a mechanic. Alright, time to consult YouTube. MC Garage. I just watched the video. And I'm gonna do it just like he did. This, he squirted, he squirted. He didn't do that. He squirted. He squirted. He squirted it. And he went like this. Then he went like this. He didn't do that. He made it look so easy. Put your knee on it to support it. And then his just came off. Fuck you! Dude. Oh, fucking this rim up. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna be surprised if I don't need a new rim. Because yeah, I'm gonna take some fine sandpaper and sand this down. Good Lord. Yeah, just to get the burrs off. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, Yep. I probably done screwed up, but hey, y'all learn off of my mistakes. Where you going? Ow. If you want to watch somebody professional, go watch MC Garage. Otherwise, this is what you get when a non-professional has done it. You watch MC Garage, yeah, they've done it a bunch of times. So this is your DIY guy. And it would be easier if this sprocket wasn't on here. Oh. This is scary. All right. Let's take a break for a minute. Shit. I don't think this is gonna work. I think I fucked the tire up. I'm checking the pressure because they said it shouldn't take no more than 20 or 30 pounds to pop the bead. Woo. Yep, I done fucked the tire up. Fuck. Not good. Okay, so I didn't screw the tire up. What had happened was there was just a slight little chunk of rubber that had come off and got into the rim. But after fixing that, I sprung another leak. No, I'm not gonna let this deter me. I'm still gonna do it one more time. Hopefully it gets easier, because if you give up on your first try, then how do you ever learn? You learn by screwing shit up. That's how you learn. I mean, yeah, you can do your best and do research and try not to, but doing research and doing it is two totally different things. Don't be scared to do it yourself. I mean, honestly, if you can't afford Reggie to replace this, which I can't. I mean, I can, but it's going to take a long time, and it would take a long time for me to replace the rim and the tire. So me personally, what I would do, if I can't get that fixed, I'll burn the shit out of that tire, and then I'll take it and see if somebody can fix it. If not, I'll have to save up and buy another one. But yeah, So I got that major leak fixed. Now I'm just gonna let the air out, bust the bead on that side, and try and get it fixed. I'll get back to you whenever I'm going back together with it. Okay, well, I don't know if this is a trick of the trade or whatever, but I had a rubber mallet. I broke the bead back, gave it some more air. It was leaking on the other side, but I just took and slightly tapped the tire and it stopped bubbling. I don't know if that is correct, but it worked. Oh shit, I gotta balance it. Yes, all right. Let me get my balancer set up and we'll come back. Just for giggles, I left the original wheel weight on there, and so far the heavy point is around the bottom, right where this original wheel weight is. Really? You're an idiot. If I do this again, I will be investing in the $100 balancer. It's got a nice little stand on it and everything. You don't have to worry about none of this dumb shit. Okay, so imagine that right at the valve stem. That's the heavy spot. So it said put a mark here. Rotate it 45. It roughly comes right back out the same damn mark. But I need a knife to open this. Oh, I got a screwdriver. Got a screwdriver right here. Look at them redneck ass feet. Got my wheel weights, nice and black. Let's see if I can knock this bitch off again. I do need a knife. Okay, so this doesn't say, oh, there's a dot above it, so maybe it is 2.0, 2 ounces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 ounce. We'll go with 1.5 ounces. And then I'm gonna try and cut my damn finger. I wonder if I cut a quarter off, what would happen? The whole tire's gonna fall off. That's what's gonna happen. I don't think that's too much to be worried about, honestly. I really don't know. Now, if I get going down the road and it starts vibrating a whole lot, then you damn right. I'm gonna take it somewhere to get it balanced. Otherwise, that seems good enough for me, Jack. Let's put it back together. Right here. That's what I'll use to roll the tire up on. Nope. Confetti. That's the part where I've seen people beating it in. Whenever you're beating it in, you got threads on the other side that you're beating to shit. So yeah, let's not beat the axle in. Let's just do it right. Spirit fingers. Oh no, it's jazz hands. I don't know what the torque is supposed to be, but there wasn't very much. If you're one of those torque geeks, then fine, look up the torque specs. Put it in the comments. I know that's supposed to be like 90-ish, but I've only been able to get it up to 80 in order to get the cotter pin in. So if I torque it down to the spec that it's supposed to be, the cotter pin won't fit in that mother flipper. I guess I could show you what I did. I put the little indicator. I had it on this way, so whenever I was going to adjust it, I couldn't tell because those hash marks were on the wrong side. So, easy problem to fix. This is what I use. I went ahead and marked it off, 1, 2, 3. You should not have 3 inches of chain travel. So, it even says it. It even says it right here. So if you don't have that sticker, it says 1 to 1.2 inches, 25 to 30 millimeters. So you go from there. Oh, I guess I needed to get into a tight place at one point in time. Oh yeah, that's when I was working on that damn Polaris. Don't ever get in a hurry, folks. You might wind up on the wrong side of the road. Woohoo! Let's see if I can get that cotter pin in there. Cotter pin will go no wobbles. Everything sound good. I know it smells good. Okay, so yeah, it was nerve-wracking popping the bead over on the other side because it's like, man, this thing's about to tear. But it didn't. I did get one little chunk, and I don't know if that was just overmold or what, but we'll see. Doing hard things once, that's not how they get easy. How things get easy is by doing hard things several times, and that way they get easy. Practice, practice, practice. Otherwise, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Are we done? Are we done? I'm done. I'm fucking tired. I started at 9:30, it's noon. So if you're doing it by yourself and not digging around with a camera, probably should probably take at least an hour less. I would assume, because I had to set the lights up and all that good crap. So, yeah. Otherwise, take your time, relax, change your own tires. I'm actually kind of scared of that front tire. I'm gonna have to take some plastic off on that. But hey, I got a couple thousand more miles on that front tire. All right, anyways, bye. Thank you for watching.